お、遊園地。
わあ、観覧車ある。
いやいや、観覧車じゃないやろ。遊園地みたいな。
あとはあれやりたい。
もうやる。
あ、すごい馬。そういう感じやね。すごい。タイヤホイールで
三振やろあれ。
あ、三振なの？
ゴーカート。回ってくんで。
Right with each other under their final leg. Down and out the flank, finishing punches for him. Young in straight down the second cut down here, Jonesy. Keep them on, keep them on. Into the pen they go. Sheet number 2 on the board. 6 in the pen this year, once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is the second and final qualifying round for these boys. And Jones throws his belly halfway across the country. Undermine time for him. Up the neck he goes. 7. He's trying to give me a little bit of gentle. These boys, they might be even. We have here today is the Doddlemay show. Now their points, as I said, taken off their qualifying heat. And the top sharers, these Chris Jones, he will have a 3-minute time cap because he's the favourite sharer. Duncan and Andrew are both senior sharers, which is down 1 grade, and they will have a 4-minute time cap.